Hey guys, so it's Thursday. I've never told them welcome to Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time seeing this face, hi guys, my name is Leha Mo, and we are on week 13 of our weekly vlogs, week 13 or week 14, and I have the lovely Hawa here. So guys, wait again. So guys, today we are just running errands. We have a lot of errands to run. Like when I mean a lot, I mean a lot of errands. So it's just 11:15 now, and we are on our way to somewhere called Hajj House in Abuja. We've never heard about it before, but we're going to find out where it is today. Our loyal driver is, please look at the road though. Our loyal driver is driving, and I'll see you.
That doesn't get paid.
This is our connection. Everything is part of love.
Is it love I will chop?
So guys,
I'm not going to put food on the table.
We'll see you guys when we get there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. How I told you so. So guys, I am at Dental Crystal Palace. I am Crystal Palace. I'm getting guys, I'm getting my teeth whitened today. Whitening. They say you're going to do
polishing, whitening, polishing and scaling.
Basically, when I smile next time, my smile is going to bright up the whole room. So I'm excited. Ever since I saw Nengi do her teeth on TV, I've been bugging my friends. I need to do my teeth. So guys, I'm here and I'm going to be going in to do it very soon. And it costs, like, I'll show you guys their price list of their teeth, how much they do their work and teeth stuff. But it's okay, it's all good. Like, this is, let me show you guys the place. It's really nice. I'm going to be getting the triple treat section and scaling and polishing because they said my teeth is bad, and this is the stuff here to check, like, from what shade to what shade I'm going to be going into. But I'm excited, Cho. I'm really excited. I'm going to be having white teeth. I'm going to be having I was I should take some top. What do you mean?
I'm just telling you now, you're the one that said you're looking for that.
Yeah, but now that I want to do my teeth, I don't think I can take something. So guys, I'll see you when I start my process of doing my teeth. You guys are not ready. Any picture, I'll be like, oh god. Okay, now. See.
1 hour later.
How does it feel?
I feel pain all over. I think it's just the second section. I still have a third section to do.
Oh, I can see the difference.
Yeah, I can see the difference in it too. I have to do it once. I can't come back here again tomorrow.
How long was this? Was it 1 hour?
20 minutes per one second. Can I do the third one now? Because coming back.
If you enter there, you're going to have sensitivity. You come back now. Sherry will come back tomorrow.
Okay.
Let me see. There are still some stuff.
So guys, we are back in the car now. Can you smell it? So I could not do the 3 sections today because I could not withstand the pain. Like there's no pain from the process. It's just the fact that when they put that mouth guard in your mouth and it widens your mouth a lot, like all this place on my face was paining me really, like it was really horrible. So hold on. So the place of my mouth, like this part of my mouth, it was paining me a lot, so I could not do it. But tomorrow I have an appointment for 9:30. I have another appointment for 9:30 where I can come and do my last process, right? The 3rd step. Then I actually still have 2 more steps. Then it says scaling and polishing for my teeth. So I'm coming back here tomorrow basically. But now we are still going to run more errands. And I'll see you guys when we get the, oh my god, look at my teeth. Hi, how is that you? Like, oh, you are not ready. You guys are not ready. Like, hey guys, so it's day 2 of my teeth whitening journey. We have our dressed in complete native today. Can you believe it? She's smiling. Oh god, I can't. I'll show you what you wore. I was so shocked this morning when I saw. I was just like, oh, how? But
What does that mean?
like normally don't dress. You don't dress like this normally. That's what I mean. But we are on our way to the clinic again. See my teeth. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for it, but I'm just scared because of like the mouth guard they put in my mouth. If you guys remember from last video, from yesterday, it makes this place of my cheeks to be like ache me a lot. So I've been trying to keep quiet as much as possible, so that when I get there and they put it in my mouth, like I do not feel as much pain as I did yesterday. But we're on our way there now. I also let me update you. That's how when we get there, Hawa is going to take the vlog. She's going to continue the vlog while I go through my teeth whitening process.
Round 2. The first one is just the 1 session of the whitening and then scaling and polishing.
Yes. Oh my god, this white teeth something mine.
The scaling of
Yeah. So you wait for her to get ready for the scaling. Scaling and polishing. It's someone that is doing it.
Just that machine.
Oh, okay, the machine.
So this we're supposed to be doing this every 6 months.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
It's very important. So I need to, why you do it is for us to get rid of any stains and click under your gums.
Thank you.
No. I don't know.
Okay, so
Understand. We're supposed to be doing it every 6 months.
No need for what? Put everything in my teeth though.
No need for a cheap retract.
no, you want no. What he's saying is the stuff that we use.
No. I already feel pain already.
We are happy to inform you that you will be our first patient.
Are you serious?
This machine is new one, so we're launching it on.
First machine user.
It's new one.
Okay.
The latest one that we got.
Thank God.
See what? You put this, you not drink, you not buy. You just hold it and put the amount that you can hold. Then
You can drink some.
I'm sorry. I like to look at my teeth, it's not my fault. So I want to ask you something. Hey guys, so I just finished from, what's the name of this place again? Crystal Palace, where I went to whiten my teeth. Guys, look at my teeth. So I have white teeth now, like Beyonce. I've channeled my Beyonce through my teeth. You guys are not ready. So we're on our way to Jabi Lake Mall now. We want to go get some things. You guys, next time we are together, we always want to go and buy something. We always like to go shopping, so we are going to Jabi Lake Mall now to check out some things that we want to get. And I'll take you guys along. So guys, we just went to Fax now. We are in Fax. We came to buy food because we are really hungry. So she can't even wait for me to do the intro. We are really hungry. So we just came to Fax. Like, you guys don't understand. So I'll see you.
You guys, if you're in Abuja, you know that Fax opposite legislative quarters, they have the best popcorn.
How is it pop? Look how big it is. It looks like egg roll.
It's big, yeah. But you know how popcorn, like, it doesn't have air inside. It's like so fluffy and.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I got fries and chicken. So due to the fact that I'm whitening my teeth, I can't eat some particular things, a lot of things, for the next 2 to 3 days. So I'm just having fries, sure. Wish me luck. And that's our egg roll like puff puff. Bye. So guys, as you can see, I'm tired. We have been going out today. We have been running a lot of errands.
3:41.
And we left
by 10.
So we're just leaving Hawa's house now. We came to drop something and pick something from her house. But now we are going to another place again. This week. What happened?
When I'm coming back,
What did you do?
I was going to be traffic like after I dropped.
Oh, sorry. So we're about to head out again for like the 5th time today.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad.